Stay away too long, don't go to bed. Make a cup. Hi guys, so I haven't been here in like 6 months and a lot happened, but we're gonna not ignore all that. And I have squishies to review. Yeah! Okay, so they're all in a freaking Target bag. Like, I don't know why. But first off, we are going to open the this is a jumbo. What the fuck? Sorry. A Mega Fundo.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Whatever the fuck that is. So we're gonna open it. Sorry. Oh, what the? It's a green big ball. And it has veins in it. Holy air. But like... Oh! That's really good. Go down. Pipe down. Yeah, like what them haters say. Pipe down. Pipe down. Dude, this air needs to get out. Should I try to get the air out of it? Will you just do this? And I'm so scared. Oh yeah. There's a little bit of more air. Should I do it again? I'm gonna do it again. Oh yeah. That's amazing. Well, like the worst part is that it stays. Like, oh. Oh, yeah. I can't stop.
Shut your fucking mouth!
That's like a 1,000 out of 10. I recommend. Okay, next we got a squishy teeth. Yay! Squishy teeth. Alright, trying to do mommy muscles again. All you see is fat. It's fine. Okay, I think it... What time is it? I'm probably gonna wake up everybody in my freaking house. Okay.
Ah! What the fuck?
Okay. Alright. Why would I smell it?
Shut your
Let's
fucking
actually
mouth!
smell like cheese or something, but... I mean... You could hear the air. You could actually hear the air. But... Why am I keep smelling it? Alright, this... Oh, let's see. I would say a 4 out of 5, 5 out of 10. It just hurts your hands after a while, and then there's like it's just squeezing. No
Shut your fucking
squeezing.
mouth!
Okay, so I already opened this one, but it's a corn. And let me check this out. Warning you, it does have a scent. And it's kind of sticky because like you can already hear it, but there's air in this one too.
Shut your fucking
Did I
mouth!
take the air out? I don't know if I should keep trusting it because like the second I pop one, it's gonna be everywhere. But fuck it. Oh shit. Get all the air. I'm so scared. Stop. Oh. That is a great like 6 out of 10. I don't know why it's not a 10 out of 10, but but like it like hurts your hands too. But I don't know if it's just because I keep playing with it. But yeah. What am I gonna do with this bag? I'm gonna see what's in it. I forgot about this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyways, this is the butter. I already opened it, as you can fucking tell. But it's the butter. It's a slow rise one though. But let me put the net over here. And warning you, this one does have a scent. If you have strong scents, you'll be like, okay.
Shut your fucking mouth!
It's very slow. So, I would say a 7 out of 10. This one's really good. You should get it. But, like, it's a very slow rise one. And then, like, get the absolute shit out of it. So you can actually feel it. But this is pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. But I like them squishies. Good. Okay, next in this bag we have this Jello squishy. It smells really good. It smells like medicine, but like for the kid medicine, not like the gross one. Like the coughing syrup one. But like, would you rather have it smell like chemicals or medication? That's the thing. It is. Mommy muscles! Okay. Ew. Ew. It's like a Taba. I don't know what that was, but okay. I don't like it. I mean, it smells hella good and looks good, but like, it's not really that good. If you're into Tabas, I'll say it's an 8 out of 10, but I'm not into Taba, so I'll say like a 3.
Shut your fucking mouth!
And you guys don't know how I am with my Fugglers, but I'm obsessed, and I got the one I've been wanting. Look how cute. This is me now because my count basically, yeah, that's what happened. But this is so freaking cute. Its ears are so long, like I could literally just like but it's so cute. I love it so much. And then finally, look what I got. I've been wanting this for like months. Like, Okay. It's the butter putty. Oh, gotta be careful. Sorry, it's not late at night, and but look. Oh yeah. Boom. Boom. Okay. Well, I love it, but like, it gets sticky, and my hands are already sticky because of all the slime. I mean not slime, the squishies. That's 10 out of 10. You need to get that one. That one's pretty expensive though. I think it was like $20 for it. It was actually really good. Like, it's really good texture and stuff. Hi. Oh, and then I went to the mall, and I don't know if this is real or not, but it's a flower power. No. Like, I love it. It's so hairy, like my fucking balls. It's pretty good. I'll say it 9 out of 10. Like, it's really good, but the mall I went to, like, is dead. Like, literally, there's like no stores in it. So I wonder if this is a real Nido, because it was all like wrapped in plastic, but like, it was taken out of the box. So I would say it was. But all the other ones look fake. This one looks pretty accurate. So it's still pretty good. I would say, like, get it. Oh, and then you guys can scroll if you want, because this is the end of the squishies. By the way, those squishies were all from Learning Express, and some of them were like, they were all like $111. Like, it's hella pricey, but some of them are pretty good. I would say to get the jumbo green one I had, and the clay, the butter one. But that one was really good. So I recommend them both because they were high in quality. They felt good to squeeze. They felt good to squeeze. And at the thing, I went to Spencer's. I didn't get a deal though, sadly. So okay. So basically, first is my emo shirt because I'm so emo. Yeah, I'm so emo. I'm so emo. Do you see me? I'm so emo. I'm so emo. I'm so emo. I'm so emo. But anyways, I got my emo shirt because I'm so emo. I'm so emo. I'm so emo. I'm so emo. I don't, but I'm a fat ass and I'm tall, so don't mind the size. But look at that. That's so hot. Like, okay. Let me just shut the fuck up. Okay. Here's my Olivia Rodrigo thoughts because I love my Olivia Rodrigo after what happened. And if you don't know what happened, look at my hint in the video. But it's Olivia Rodrigo, get him back. Like,
I wanna get him back. I wanna make him really jealous, wanna make him feel bad.
And then I got a Felony Fartina shirt because, like, I'm a huge fan. But look at this. So you will be like boring as shit, right? The back makes up for it. It says Hades.
I feel the saddest name was Hades. Pick me up in the darkness, Hades.
Okay, well, that's it, guys. So I hope you really like the haul and like the other stuff. And the ones I recommended, I already told you before, and you could go look at that. But anyways, the reason why I haven't been on my channel is because of a lot of family stuff, a lot of personal stuff. I can't say a lot, and you can tell I bleached my hair. I wore less eyeliner than I did. I had a room update. I'm not with people, and I have a new boyfriend. I love him so much. He's so cute. He's so cute. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys soon. I love you guys so much. Guy Diamond slays, because he's the fucking best. He's the fucking best. He's the fucking best. He's the fucking best. Anyways, guys, have a good day. I love you guys so much. Make sure to stay hydrated and eat. I love you guys. Bye.